This video is gonna start off with about like 2 months ago, I forgot how long ago, did I waste about $25, $26 on this car for these lights? Yes. I'm actually gonna install HIDs, daytime running lights, black housings. It's just gonna look a lot better than this. And GTI is the car that's reliable, but everything's so expensive. I just wanted to go fully customized because I don't know, GTI is my daily. This is gonna be my most daily nowadays too. I'm gonna install HIDs in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so as you can see, brand new headlight. That side, I wanted to keep this side stock just to show as an example difference between the new and the old. So this is the original. Yes, again, I wasted $25, but this corner light, all this works out now. So actually, this is something new. That's just the daytime running light, and I installed an HID in a projector, but it's way too bright. Can't see anything. So if you want to see how this is all built, stay tuned. I'm gonna go through more or less step by step on how to do this. And as for the wiring, I did a quick job, but that's another video on how I managed to wire everything on this. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It took some time, but I managed to get this all done, so really glad I got to finish this, and yeah. Here's the completed headlight with the HID and LED strip, as well as the wiring kind of out the back for the igniter chip, as well as the high beams and the DRLs. So it took me about 4 hours to really figure all this out, so I'm really gonna go over it now. Mostly because what I recorded so far was nuts. So this is how you make some crazy customized headlights. First things first, you're gonna need a headlight, and this is a brand new one. I got this for $30. It's black housing to kind of just match my black corner light that I got. So full custom headlight, basically is brand new corner light as well. So let's start off with what you actually need. So you're gonna need HID, you're gonna need projector and its housing. If you wanna do it the easy way, which I'm doing, you're gonna need a relay kit. So this is the Morimoto MotoControl for my EG Civic. You're gonna need a ballast, you're gonna need an igniter chip, and you're also gonna need rubber resealable glue. And in my case, I also happened to get these two because these were on sale. These are switchback LED strips. So yeah. Let's get started. Ooh. Just for scratch resistant purposes, get yourself a towel. Oh, I'm so much better at it this time. They split it apart, and then proceed to cleaning off all the butyl around the edges. But first things first, put this aside, face down, avoid anything scratching it. So let's get back to my room. This shroud is gonna come off. So I did this by hand before. You should do it by hand, but my forearms are cramping, and I don't want to do it by hand. So take a drill. Shroud is off. We're actually gonna remove these screws. Cool. And unlike the other one, I didn't mess this up this time. Make sure you're wearing gloves. You really don't want to get this part any finger oils on it too much. Don't forget to put the all-important rubber washer first. This is what seals any kind of like liquid from really getting through by accident. And right here is the guiding ring. There we go. Next is taking the lock nut. I don't think it really matters which side we go. And this should easily screw in. So all nice and tight. This is where the HID slips in. Perfect. And yes, I do know that if you can reseal these with the current sealant on it, but I don't want to be the one that says, oh, I'll just reuse it, and then it starts leaking. If it starts leaking and I did it, at least I know that I messed up and it wasn't because I could have done a little bit more. So if my other headlight leaks just because I'm an idiot. If this one leaks and I did everything thought I did perfectly, then I'm bad. Again, if you saw earlier in the video, I have the Profile Performance pivot accessories. This wouldn't be fully customized if I didn't have the daytime running light and switchback. And here we have the resistor. I think it's resistor, or relay, or however you want to put it. Anyways, we're gonna mount this to the inside of here. I failed about 2 times on this. I tried mounting it here and here, does not fit. It will only fit right here at an angle. Basically, just take all these wires and just shove it through here. So what you're gonna do, take this 3M is good, but not good enough. I actually took a very little bit of rubber butyl. Honestly, you don't need that much. You could use this much, honestly, because it stretches a lot. I have the glass. I'm going to, again, the light starts from the inside out, so super simple. I took this again from, I think, Sam EH3. He used a lot thicker LED, but mine's a lot thinner, so it's a lot more subtle, and I do enjoy subtle. Again, very little bit, very, very little. Because at the end, it's a little difficult and finicky, but you want to keep it at a slight angle. Yeah, check the tips, because these are the ones that everyone will see first. I'm gonna bake this one more time so I can have all the butyl around it set in and I can heat it up. Alright, super good. Woo! Alright, all the butyl is nice and set inside. I'm gonna put this aside again. First things first, we're gonna plug up this hole. I had a realization that I forgot to bring my car to the windshield shop, so I'm gonna do that right now. There's a fatty crack right here. I don't know if you can see it right here. It goes all the way across, goes up the windshield, and it goes right about here. So it's not the best windshield. Is it my fault? I bought the car like that, so it is my fault. Alright, let's get to the glass shop. Goodbye, car. Hope you'll be fixed when I get back. It's all fixed. Wait, I need to grab my keys. Alright, so back in the garage. Gonna replace these old headlights with the new ones that I fixed up. Hopefully they all connect. Hopefully I didn't muck anything up. We're gonna also connect all the relays, but before all that, let's get one last good look at the current headlights before it switches. And now I'm gonna install the relay, plug everything in, tap all the wires, and we'll be done. So, hope you enjoy the rest of this video, and let's get started. So, a simple test is our 3 plugs. Ground, this is actually daytime running, and turn. So turn, for just to test how this light works exactly, basically, normally if I were to have this plugged in, so I reversed it actually. I unplugged the green and the red. I put the red where the green was. Normally it's just this corner that lights up when we're at daytime running, but if I put it on daytime running, this whole entire light turns on. So I want this to be on when I'm daytime running and blink when I have a signal. But if you signal, or in this case, remember, just like double park, it doesn't do anything. That's because, well, if you look right here, I unplugged the turn signal wire. So the position of where the turn signal wire is will light up the entire thing, whereas the position of this daytime running light will only light up this one little light. So if I take this new splice wire, so I'm going to take these 3 from the main harness, plug it into the Mishimoto exchange. When it comes out, I'm gonna splice the yellow and the white together, the black and black together. So when it plugs into this light on the red and the black, if my thinking of basic circuits is correct from an engineering degree, I should be able to make this whole entire thing stay on daytime running and blink. Splicing them together shouldn't be a problem. This crazy math of wire, I spliced in the exchange driver. I basically omitted the red wire, so it's all going to turn signal wire. Spliced in, normal, everything's normal. White to red, yellow I'm assuming is turn to green, which is turn, ground to ground, all to the factory plug. These are so that the plug can plug into the daytime running lights on the headlights. So there's a really hope that it all connects. If this works, everything should light up when I turn the light on. Should. Oh my god. Wait, did I just do it? Oh shit. Woo! I did it first try. Woo! Oh my god. Yes! Alright, last thing. Quickly gonna do this so I at least have it for the video. I'm gonna basically just plug in the light so you see this crazy wire. I'm gonna make another video of me fixing all the wiring, so don't worry. But this is for now. I'm just gonna, for the look, I'm not driving this right now. I'm gonna plug in this HID. Hey. Just a little extra thing I like about my Civic. New windshield? I don't know. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe, tell your friends, like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye!